Dear students, here we will see the topic phrases as adjectives. So at first we will see the definition. A phrase is a group of words which has incomplete meaning. Okay. There is the similarity between phrase and sentence. What is the similarity? That sentence is also group of words and phrase is also group of words. But there is difference also. What is the difference? That sentence it makes a complete sense, but phrase it has not a complete sense. Okay. So let's see here. A phrase is a group of words, but its meaning is not complete. It has incomplete meaning. Okay. For example, on the table, in the bag, the girl with green bag, because you can see these are the group of words, but its meaning is not complete. Okay. Now we will see sometimes a group of words can be replaced by an adjective. Sometimes in a sentence, okay, the group of words, okay, it can be replaced. Okay, we can use adjective in place of those words. Okay, and meaning will also not change. For example, Sumitra has hair that feels like silk. So that feels like silk, this is group of words, means you can say this is phrase. Okay, this is phrase. But we can write like this also. Sumitra has silky hair. Okay, meaning is also same. Here also feels like silk and here also silky. Okay, मतलब सेम निकल रहा है, but here this is adjective. Silky is adjective here and this is group of words here. Okay, in the same way, in the second example we will see Kashi is always aware and alert in the class. Aware and alert, this is group of words or phrase you can say, and we can write like this also with the help of adjective. Kashi is always attentive in the class. Okay, attentive means aware and alert. Okay, here the phrase is that feels like silk. Okay, here the phrase is that feels like silk and aware and alert function as adjectives. मतलब क्या हुआ हमारा कि ये जो फ्रेज है हमारे दैट फील्स लाइक सिल्क अवेयर एंड अलर्ट, दे आर नॉट एडजेक्टिव, दे आर मियरली ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. ये सिर्फ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैं, बट दे आर वर्किंग, दे आर फंक्शनिंग एज एडजेक्टिव. लेकिन ये एडजेक्टिव का ही काम कर रहे हैं. ओके, and in the second sentence we have used adjective. डायरेक्ट एडजेक्टिव हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज़ किए हैं, लेकिन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में ये एडजेक्टिव नहीं होकर भी एडजेक्टिव का काम कर रहे हैं. दे आर फंक्शनिंग एज एडजेक्टिव बिकॉज दे टेल्स अस अबाउट सुमित्राज हेयर एंड अबाउट काशी. ओके, and what kind of girl Kashi is. So we can use a phrase in a place of an adjective or an adjective in place of a phrase. Means इसलिए हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं कि phrase की जगह पे हम लोग adjective यूज़ कर सकते हैं और adjective की जगह पे phrase यूज़ कर सकते हैं. For example, two more examples are given here. Mrs. Krishnan is always on time. Okay, always on time, there is no adjective, but this is functioning as adjective. This phrase is functioning as adjective. Like he, she is always punctual. यानी कहने का यही सेंस निकल रहा है कि मिसेस कृष्णन जो है वो ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम यानी वो पंक्चुअल है. क्वालिटी ही बताया जा रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके, इन द सेम वे ललित लुक्ड वरीड एंड इम्पेशेंट. ओके, मीन्स ललित जो है वो परेशान दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके, इट मीन्स ही लुक्ड anxious. Okay, so here also worried and impatient, these are also group of words, and anxious, this is an adjective.